objectives and themes. Hackathons organized as a platform for creating applications such as mobile apps, operating system variations, web and video game upgrading are branded as Naichi Hackathons. Altruistic hackathons are those where participants work to find solutions for problems such as public transport systems, education, and disaster response. Corporate hackathons organized by companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are developed to encourage employees to participate in new product development. Language or programming hackathons are dedicated to creating specific programming language or framework applications such as C++ or .NET. Some hackathons are only open to a specific demographic group such as students or women, while others are offered to developers with specific proficiency levels and experience. Thank you.
My Secretary Mr. Narsimha Reddy sir onto the dais.
Vice Principal Dr. R. Lokanathan sir onto the dais. Now I would like to invite our Chief Guest Dr. P. Govardhan sir onto the dais.
Now I would like to invite convener Mrs. C.H. Srilakshmi ma'am to the dais.
I would like to invite HOD Suresh sir onto the dais.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As convener of the hackathon, Srilakshmi ma'am, to speak.
Good morning to one and all. I welcome all the participants of various colleges and also Narsimha Reddy Engineering College for the Hackathon-2023. First of all, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Dr. P. Govardhan sir, for coming for Hackathon and accepting our invitation, sir. Thank you, sir. And I would like to welcome our Secretary J. Trishul Reddy Garu for coming for Hackathon and accepting our invitation. Thank you, sir. And I would like to welcome our Principal, Dr. R. Lokanathan Garu, for accepting our invitation and gracing the event, sir. Thank you, sir. And I would like to welcome our HOD of CSC, Dr. Suresh Babu, sir, for accepting our invitation. Thank you, sir. And first of all, I would like to say what is meant by hackathon. So, it is of two words, hack and marathon. Okay? So, what is meant by hack is cracking are cutting. And marathon is nothing but running faster. So it is mixing of two words, cracking the code in a faster way. That is nothing but hackathon. Okay? Totally in the hackathon we will be having 4 domains. First one is the web development. In that 2 rounds will be there. First round will be of 45 minutes, which consists of HTML and CSS. And second round will be of 1 hour. It consists of some APIs to design the code, to design that particular template. And second is coding contest. In that Hackathon website will be there. In that you should have the login IDs. And after that 5 questions will be given in the hacker ranker. It will be of low level, high level and also medium level. So those who crack the code within the short time will be the winners. And in Internet of Things is of model expo like that. So they can show their own expo there. And gaming apps also they can develop their own, they can export in that particular contest. So totally we have got 120 plus teams of registrations throughout the state of Telangana. And from various colleges we have the participants from various colleges. Those are CMR, Reddy, Hitham, St. Peter's, VNR VJIT, Narsimha Reddy, IARE. All those colleges participants are here from various domains. I welcome all the participants of various colleges and also Narsimha Reddy College. Thank you. All the best to all the participants.
Principal Dr. Nadam sir.
Honorable Secretary, Sri Narsimha Reddy garu, and today's chief guest of this event, Professor Govardhan garu, and convener of today's event, and HOD of Emerging Branch, Srimati Sri Lakshmi garu, and HOD of Computer Science, Professor Suresh garu, heads of the departments, faculty members, dear students, good morning one and all. First of all, I would like to extend hearty congratulations to both the departments, CSE and emerging branches, came forward to organize such a wonderful hackathon, not only to our internal students and by inviting the students of various colleges. At this point of time, really I am appreciating the students who came forward to participate in this event. And today morning, nearly 10 to 20 students of third years, they approached me and requested, sir, CRT is going on and simultaneously we are participating in the hackathon also, how to balance these two. So really, it is a wonderful sign that students are keen with respect to learning their skills. So that's why I requested Secretary Madam to accommodate those students without affecting their CRT program. In addition to that, if we analyze the students' efforts and their career positions, as per the Time Magazine report, from the graduates who are coming from various professional courses, 10 to 15% of graduates attaining high positions like entrepreneurs, administrators, leaders, high profile professionals, and leading the various types of organizations. And they are the backbone of development of the country. That 15% of leaders from various domains, various professional colleges, various professional courses. Whereas remaining 65 to 70% of graduates, they are just simply flowing in the mainstream. And last 15% or 20%, they are not serious about their career and family. They are really facing hell in their life and in their career. So therefore, if you look at the 60% of the people who are going just like that in the stream, without having clear goal, without having clear vision about their career and future and life, if they associate with the people who are working hard, who is having very clear vision about their career, life, family, etc., really they are also shining. So therefore, at this point of time, if you, let's suppose those who are in third year or first year, when it comes to third year, you are facing the placement drives. The very first question from the HR, apart from your, of course, you are, if you are eligible with respect to 60 or 65% throughout academics only, and once after cracking your test, you are only eligible to place the subsequent drives of second, third, and fourth rounds. The very first question in second round from the HR, what are your certifications? What is about your mini project or project? And which is the strong area you are? So to speak at least some sentences on that occasion, participation of these kind of hackathons, conferences, workshops, value-add courses really fetches a lot. How much you learnt is secondary, but at least you can able to immediately respond that, sir, I have participated, I am certified, this is my credential. And then half of the job is done. That means you are giving a very clear sign that you are a student of learning, enthusiasm, self-driven. So 50% of selection is over. Even if you do perform slightly below substandards, but they will convince that you are having the ability and passion and attitude of learning. So therefore, on this occasion, I am congratulating and appreciating all the students who are participating in this event and extending my warm greetings and appreciation and congratulations to the entire organizing team. And thank you, Olga.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Secretary Mr. Jagrat Reddy sir to speak few words.
Respected Chief Patron of this program, Sri Narsimha Reddy Garu. Respected Chief Guest of this program, Dr. Gordon sir, our Director sir, Director Mohan sir, Principal Loknath sir, Convener, Co-Convener, Organizing Secretary, HODs, faculty and my dear students. A very good morning to one and all. It is my immense pleasure to invite you all to this National Level Hackathon 2023. Nested in an ecological invigorating ambience, Narsimha Reddy Engineering College epitomizes a modern age where talent is nurtured, groomed and launched into the corporate world. We are imparting the quality of education and hosting this great event which brings the positivity and hopes for a better future. By participating in such hackathons, students develop team building skills as the success of the project depends considerably on the distribution of work. You can also use it as an opportunity to try new roles within the team and acquire new skills because hackathon is unique in its massiveness and utility. This unique event will encourage your minds to convert your knowledge into skills that would solve many crucial challenges facing in our country. This National Hackathon tend to have a specific focus which includes web development, coding contest, Internet of Things and gaming apps. And I suggest one thing to all the participants, that is, look in a hackathon, you will get good presentation skills.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. And Principal Loknath sir, and the Chief Guest, and our Madam Srileshwari Garu, and my dear students and faculty, very warm good morning and welcome. So, I have one question always. I have the answer. So, as per the NASCOM survey, which has happened in 2019, not only in India, across the world, the only 1% of the persons they are eligible to write the perfect code. Only 1% of the software employees also, including the employees and students, only 1% people are perfect. Then what about the 90% people? But in our current scenario, we doesn't have job openings apart from the software industry. So major of the jobs are offering from the software, the testing, and you can go for the delivery also. So multiple phases are there, but the scenario is lack of skills, lack of skill set. So due to this, so many member of employees or students, they are unable to get the best jobs. So to fulfill this gap between the industry and the academia, so these type of programs are very much important. So if you are participating perfectly and use this opportunity, you can able to assess yourself where you are by comparing with others. So it is one of the best opportunity to skills to upgrade our skill set and to acquire the knowledge also, right? So I hope everyone will use this opportunity, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So our chief guest for today's event is Dr. P. Govardhan sir. He completed his UG degree in BSc MPC from SV University in 1984 and pursued PG degree in MTech CSE in 2010. He completed his PhD in mathematics from Sri Venkateshwara University. He is a professor from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College with experience of 3 years. He has expertise in computer science and engineering department. So now I would like to invite our chief guest Dr. P. Govardhan sir to speak a few words.
Eminent Principal, Dr. Logan sir, Dynamic Management, and also Secretary of Narsimha Reddy College, Kushal Garu, and the organizer of this event, Dr. Sri Lakshmi Garu, and also the other department. Good evening to all. Good morning to all. Now, after I will give some message to you. After completion of your 10th class, there is an opportunity. That is, you can join either intermediate or some diploma courses. After completion of the intermediate, now there are many opportunities. You can join a diploma, or you can join engineering, or you can join any graduates. That is, arts and sciences also. After completion of your engineering, what next? This is the question. What next means you have to settle in your life. How can you settle in your life? There are many opportunities after completion of the degree. There are many opportunities. Now one opportunity is settle in government jobs. This is also one of the opportunity. Now in the government jobs there are many ways. Now administration position. In administration position, now we have to prepare civil service examinations, UPPS examination. Now this is the one good opportunity. Now banking sector, many jobs in banking sector also. Now some private, that means some DRDO, BDL, BEL, NPTC. These are all public sector companies. If you want to settle in public sector companies, now the eligibility is all engineers 70%. They are taking 70% gate score, 30% only interviews. Now the gate score, it is very difficult to get the 70% top gate score. If you get a good score in gate, you should learn subjects, theory subjects. Okay, theory subjects. Now the next opportunity, higher studies. Now for higher studies means either post-graduation in IITs or post-graduation in abroad, that is in America or Canada or London, Australia. This is the next opportunity. Now the next opportunity is in private software industries. Now in software industries, there are two types of industries: product-based companies, service-based companies. Now there are service-based companies like TCS, Infosys. These are all Wipro. These are all service-based companies. Now there are product-based companies: Facebook, Google, Amazon. Such type of companies are product-based companies. Now, if you want to enter in the product-based companies, you should learn sound in subject knowledge, mathematics. It is very important.
statistics. These are very, very important. Now, coding, languages. First, you have to learn one structural programming language or procedure-oriented programming language, that is the C programming. It is a must. After next, object-oriented programming language you should learn. It is very, very important. Now, there are very important object-oriented language, only two important, Java and Python. These two are very, very important object-oriented programming language. Now, next you have to learn databases. Now, NoSQL or Oracle. Now, one SQL, that is SQL, structured query languages, non-structured query language, MongoDB. Now, you should learn this. The next, very, very important is web technologies. Now, you should know minimum knowledge in web technologies. In web technologies, the basic things are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now, in all the languages, the top one language is JavaScript. Without JavaScript, nothing. Without JavaScript. Now, the topmost languages, among all the languages, you go in Google, JavaScript is the topmost language. Now, not only in languages, you should learn some frameworks. Now, the frameworks for Python, Django framework. For Java, the frameworks, string framework, string boot. Not only string boot, you have to learn microservices also. In backend, suppose if you want to become a full stack developer, there are many jobs in full stack development. Now, in full stack development, now there are three parts. Now, first is front end, second is back end, next database. In front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, back end, some programming languages, either Java or Python or any programming languages. Now, the frameworks are must. For companies, if you want to become a software engineer, such activities are very, very important. Hackathon is very, very important. The hackathon is giving solution to the particular problem. This is the importance of this. Solution. To solve the problem, in how many ways you are solving the problem is very important. Which language? Now, all languages are very important. But in the language, fundamentals are words. You have to learn all fundamentals. Without fundamentals, you cannot become a good software engineer. For example, Python. Now, the latest version also you should learn. Now, the Python 3.11 was released December 2022. 3.11.1 is released now. Now, you should learn the latest techniques. Now, if you want to become a software engineer, our syllabus is not suitable for that. We have to learn beyond your syllabus. In your home. You have to have it, to learn. Self-learning is very, very important. Self-learning is very, very important. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Secretary General Narsimha Reddy sir and our Principal Dr. P. Loganathan sir to felicitate our guest.
And students who are interested in Internet of Things, please assemble at 301B room.
as declared, and please follow the timings. And if anyone have any queries, please ask the volunteers, they will guide you. Thank you. Okay, there will be a lunch break at 12:30 to 1, and from 1 the coding contest will be started.
ABK. 11:45 to 12:30 gaming app, that is on ABK 301A. 11:45 to 12:30 Internet of Things, that will be on ABK 301B. Lunch break will be 12:30 to 1, and after lunch break 1 to 2 coding contest will be there, that will be in 301C ABK. 1 to 2 second round of web development will be there, that will be on ABK 301D. Mandatory will be starting from 3 to 4. Okay? If there are any participants repeatedly, that means in the 4 contest, if anyone is participating, kindly inform in the registration counter. We will provide the timings for the separate contest. Okay? Go to ABK blog. Spot registrations are also there. Those who have registered also list your names in the registration counter. Okay? Any doubts? You can go to ABK blog for the registrations.
clarified the introduction to mandates applications, limitations, features. Introduction is explained by
Okay.
title open this one, sir. What can sir? Data is stored. Title what open this.
బ్రీఫ్గా తీసుకోవాలి ఒకసారి
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పా టోకెన్ ఎట్మాట ఫస్ట్ టోకెన్
అరే టోకెన్ ఆటోమేటిక్ వస్తుంది. అరే ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ పెట్టు, రీస్టార్ట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ పెట్టు ఒకసారి.
అక్కడక్కడ స్టోర్ వస్తుంది
ఇక్కడ లేట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత టోకెన్ వైఫై డిలే ఉండదు. ఒకసారి రీస్టార్ట్
ఓకే అది షూట్ చేసాం కదా నువ్వు అక్కడ పెట్టేసి ఇక్కడ టోకెన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ స్కాన్ ఒక్క నిమిషం
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రీస్టార్ట్ చేసాం
వైఫై ఆఫ్ ఉంది.
కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది
కనెక్ట్ అయితే లేదా మళ్ళీ
ఆటోమేటిక్గా
రైట్ వచ్చింది బ్లింక్ స్కాన్ రీస్టార్ట్ ఇది స్కాన్ అయిపోయింది. ఇల్లు గీకిన
లైట్ వచ్చింది
సార్ మళ్ళీ లైట్ వచ్చింది రాదు
ఏమంటారా మళ్ళీ
ఎక్కువ డిలే అవుతుంది.
డిలే అవుతుంది.
కార్డ్ ట్రై చేయరా
కార్డ్ ట్రై చేస్తే నాకు ఇంతకుముందు బాగానే వచ్చింది అదే
వచ్చింది
టోకెన్ వస్తుంది
టోకెన్ వస్తుంది. టోకెన్ వస్తుంది. తెలకకు
సార్
కొంచెం ఎక్కువైపోయింది డీలో కొంచెం ఎక్కువైపోయింది డీలో
కార్డ్ స్కాన్ చేయాలి సార్ కార్డ్ స్కాన్ చేయాలి
రీస్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ స్కాన్ చేద్దాం మళ్ళీ స్కాన్
మళ్ళీ పెట్టి
వస్తుంది.
దానిలో పెట్టి
ఏముంది ఎంతసేపు ఆడుకోలేదు ఇంకోటి పేషెన్స్
టోకెన్
ఇచ్చిన कार्ड जो है
सेम है सिद्धि विषय सिद्धि का टॉपिक is about security alarms. Security alarms are very necessary for us, even in preventing protection of our personal needs. Security alarms are very needed. So in this security alarms, we are using called. This security alarms are also used in malls, in ATMs, or in any other conventional areas to provide security for your personal belongings. When if there is a tag on that personal belonging, or in a clothing store, or any other perfume also has a tag, this security alarm can recognize and give a sound for it. In this security alarm, we are using all. To explain further details, I would request the Vishal.
Buzzer, PNR sensors. So first, I would like to say about the USB connector. This is a kit which comes with system security. So USB sensor is used to transfer the data from computer to this, and ID to the board, and the power supply point. Power supply point in which AC to DC voltage is being detected. Minimum voltage of this is 5 volts and the maximum is 20 volts. And whenever the current is being supplied high voltage, there is a side resistor for not taking the burn of the. And next one is system, which is already discussed. And microcontroller at Mega 328 and the memory of microcontroller is 32 KB and the RAM memory is 2 KB, which is used at the analog inputs. So we have some inputs and output digital outputs. These are divided into analog and digital. Analog inputs are from 0 to 6, like 0 to 5, which are of total 6, and digital inputs are from 0 to 13, as we see. And next, output read signals, which are being detected here. And output read, input read signals are nothing but here the signal is being detected and output the signal is being reversed. And this is also called as PWM and PWM. And we also can add the oscillator where whenever the buzzer gets rings, here a siren of red color, which we can add on this. And last, TX and RX. TX is nothing but the transmitter and RX is a receiver. And next, coming to the circuit building part, my friend Diksha is going to explain. Basically, Arduino is classified into different types like Uno, Mega, Nano. Now, which we have been using is Nano, Arduino, Uno, then we have DIP and SID. DIP is nothing but dual inline package, which we can take out the microcontroller outside for the learning, which is easier for the high-end projects. And just for the basic learning, I have used the Nano SNDs. It is a very strong device, which we can't take any components out from this device. There is the difference between DIP and SID. And coming to the next topic, PIR sensor. PIR is a passive infrared sensor, which we can detect the motion of any object or not an object, any animal or any human being passing from 100 meters of radius. So it can sense it and it gives the code of 1. If it gives the 1, a person is detected. So it goes to the buzzer and the buzzer goes high. And also if it is low, means it is 0. It goes to the buzzer and the buzzer goes to 0. It turns off. In this way, the connections are being done. And the connections, the PNR sensor has three wires, which means power supply, that is VCC, and term, and the output device. The power supply is used to connect the receiver, and the output is used to give the output. If it senses, it gives one, or if it doesn't sense any object, it gives so that it gives to the output to the pin. And the third pin of this PIR sensor is the ground. Ground is directly connected to the yes. And the code. Not only this, we have been doing this with Arduino as it has the code in this laptop. There are two main functionalities of the codes in Arduino app, that is setup and move operating functions. The microcontroller which is used in the which is embedded is 8 mega, 3 to 8 many thefts are there. And also in our day-to-day lives, we have been afraid of many people or many the important things are being lost because due to lack of security reasons. We can't in our homes keep a security guard person for ourselves. It is easy to install this in our homes. If there is anything important like gold, diamonds, anything, we can't say anything. Just for security purposes, even the humans, the blood sheds are also needed this. If we install this in our home, then where the entrance is being, so we get the alarm brought out and this silent knobs. And also we are implementing this. We can also get the message on our phones instead of this buzzer. Yes, we can get it on the phone. These are also taking this to the exam branch for ABS. Just take this for examination.
Right. Okay, one by one.
No, one by one. Next.
Move. Next slide. Slowly. Next.
These are the contents.
Next slide. Right. Okay.
These are the
Next.
PNR sensors, these are the inputs and outputs which we have. These are the other types of
Right.
which we have in which the people will use. These are circle diagram, like a circle, which is made up of each display. And the connections of the circuits where the wires are. The code for running this function is setup and functions. And the microcontroller which would have been used as the applications for this are ATMs, banks and lockers, even the restaurants, hotels, lounges. Working of the circuit which have been explained before.
Right.
And there is one. Yeah.
So,
Madam, sort of.
this is show that and that should be visible. Hand.
కొద్దిగా ఇలా బెండ్ చేయండి అలా బెండ్ రైట్ రైట్
So, main reason security purpose.
Yeah, security purpose.
So, why it is getting
Because in case if the house is empty or we can activate whenever we are not at the highly security regions will be present with us.
suppose for example you
last